Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making chickpea vada with sesame seeds. It is a high fiber and high protein snack. To make chickpea vada, I have taken 1 cup of chickpeas, soaked them in the water for 4 hours, and now I am going to grind them in my fruit processor with some salt.
Here I took the ground chickpeas into a bowl, adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, finely chopped onion and finely chopped cilantro. Also I am adding 1 teaspoon of green chilli paste. Of course my green chilli is ripened, so this is red chilli paste, but you can use green chilli paste or finely chopped green chillies. For more spiciness, I am also adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. For binding, we need some kind of flour. So you can use chickpea flour or rice flour, but here I am using millet flour. Mix all the ingredients together without using any water. When it is combined well, make some balls out of this mixture.
I want to thank all of you for watching my videos, liking them and sharing them. If you are new for my channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned. And if you are interested, you can visit my Telugu channel also. The link will be given below. All the dough is made into some balls. Now I am taking each ball into my hand and press it into a paddy and applying some sesame seeds. These sesame seeds will add wonderful taste to our chickpea vada. Chickpeas are a wonderful source of protein and fiber. You can press the sesame seeds again so that they can stick better to the paddy. You can also make this vada with chana dal, but I always like to make with whole chana or chickpeas. All the chickpea paddies are ready with the sesame seeds. Now we are going to fry them in oil.
I am heating my coconut oil in a small skillet.
When the oil is hot, drop the paddies carefully into the oil. Do not move the paddies immediately after putting in the oil because they come apart. When you notice they are changing color slightly around the paddy, then you flip them to the other side. As you notice, I try to take less oil for deep fries, so I will end up with less amount of leftover oil, which I will use later for seasoning my curries. Fry them until they are golden color on both sides. When they are golden color on both sides, remove them from the oil, drain the oil and take them into a paper napkin. Repeat the process with the remaining chickpea paddies.
Please try this healthy recipe and give me your feedback. For more healthy recipes, check out my website at sisrekhaskitchen.com. Thank you for watching.